Rover is our latest programmable, customizable robot, and it's our most complete, most refined, and most capable robot ever.
Rover is an out-of-the-box robotic platform, and it comes along with all this stuff just built in, things like driving and sensors that you could just start on immediately. But the thing that makes it special is it's super expandable.
What's super unique about Rover is we put in a UART expansion port, which opens it up in a way that we've never made available before.
Rover is Sphero's first platform that allows students and makers to be able to hardware hack.
If you've ever messed with a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino or a microbit, you can put that onto Rover and make that project mobile. Rover works with our Sphero EDU app. You get the rich experience of our community and our EDU ecosystem.
You don't have to assemble anything. You can start coding right away.
You get a complete polished product, and then you've got the ability to expand and build it into anything you want. It's got all-terrain capabilities. We've got high torque motors with a high gear ratio, which allows it to go fast, but also allows it to go really accurate at slow speeds.
If something disrupts the treads, or if one tank tread moves at a different speed than the other, they'll still go in the heading that you originally intended, which is something unique for tank treaded vehicles.
The driving experience is unlike anything you've ever seen before.
We worked really diligently to make sure this gearbox was robust. We made sure every single gear tooth would be able to withstand mulch or rocks.
We have infrared communication that you can use to talk to other robots, other rovers, or even our bolts, so they can send messages to each other, play tag.
We've got an ambient light sensor inside, so it can detect, different light values and behave differently.
Rover includes a 4600 milliamp hour battery, rechargeable via USB-C.
We knew this is first and foremost a tool, and you need to be able to swap out a battery in a tool.
Underneath, there's a color sensor, which allows you to detect the color value that it's driving over and write programming based on what color it detects. It's got a full 9-axis IMU, so we've got gyro, accelerometer, magnetometer.
With an innovative bipedal design, the Iron Man Mark 50 robot combines cutting-edge robotics and integrated app entertainment that provide a window into the exciting world of Iron Man.
Armor is locked and loaded.
Design custom animation sequences using block-based programming that can be downloaded and triggered via voice command. The robot's hardware features create an interactive Iron Man augmented reality experience like no other.
Ha! Not today. Enough standing around. Let's do this.
Tracking mat detected.
A first for Marvel. This walking, talking Iron Man Mark 50 robot by Ubitech brings Tony Stark to life.
Now it's a party.
Create, control, code, and battle against enemies inspired by iconic Marvel Cinematic Universe villains in high-tech AR battles.
Enemy eliminated.
You can also upload your own face and record audio to reenact some of your favorite superhero moments. Stop right there. What's the password? Iron Man Mark 50 robot by Ubitech. Available now.
Mabot. Mabot is not only a robot, but is a system of components that can be combined to enable users to create their own personal robot. Inspired by the human body structure, we have developed a series of components with various forms and functions. These components are given functions similar to the human brain, eyes, joints, and more. Once assembled, the user will have a customized robot that can perform multivarious functions. Working from a child's perspective, we have made various efforts for safety and ease of use. The round-shaped surface enables children's small, soft hands to grasp the components support plug and play, which allows them to be safely added or removed without turning the power off. Mabot's Go app contains 10 recommended basic configurations, allowing for quick setup and control. In addition, users can build custom configurations according to their personal needs. If children find that one set of Mabot components is not enough, they can share their components with their friends, working together to create a more challenging project. What's even more powerful is the graphical programming software, Mabot IDE. Mabot IDE is a straightforward interface and language that will open the doors of programming and fun for children of all ages. Based on programming rules, Mabot IDE can be used to extend Mabot's abilities and functions. In fact, not only children, but adults are also joining creative teams to enjoy the fun of Mabot. What's even more surprising is that even with Mabot, the Legos in your home won't go deserted. Mabot is perfectly compatible with Lego. Therefore, let's have a great time combining possibilities.
Serving me take that to your place, sir. The system team me all down, team me while.
Everyone reporting to duty. How may I help you today? Everyone reporting to duty. How may I help you today?
Coding is a crucial new form of literacy, a skill we believe every child must learn. Our journey began with the idea that children learn best through physical play. We asked ourselves, how do we take code learning beyond the computer screen and make it more engaging for young learners? This led us to develop physical coding. Plobot uses command cards to make programming intuitive, visual, and easy to understand. These cards represent the same coding blocks that programmers use, but without the confusing syntax. By swiping these cards in sequence, kids string together instructions to help Plobot reach a goal. Programming turns into this fun, hands-on game. Even the youngest learners can get started right away. Swipe, play, and learn. By breaking down a task into steps, kids exercise their problem-solving skills and harness their creativity. With expansion packs, Plobot grows with your child's progress, challenging them to explore and imagine new solutions.
This is Marty the robot. Marty won't vacuum your carpet, mow your lawn or do your dishes, but is very good at engaging your students.
And they got such joy out of getting their robot working.
Yeah, it was really easy. I thought it was going to be like something wild. You can make Marty do all kinds of stuff. Yeah, it's just really fun.
Designed to look fun and be engaging, Marty is a real robot, fully programmable and jam-packed with sensors. You can program Marty with Scratch or real-world languages like Python.
I think it's just so important that young people are learning through experiences like this. You could sense that they were having fun, and they were experiencing something. Really, they were so engaged and they took such ownership over their Marty.
I just love coding and robotics. I want to develop my skills and be able to maybe one day do these things on my own.
Build your own and learn about mechanics, motors and teamwork.
I think we work well with Marty because we can do a lot of different things at the same time. We can help each other out if we have problems.
Or get your Martys fully assembled and ready to program out of the box. Our class packs come with their own Wi-Fi setup, so you don't need to worry about school Wi-Fi. You also get video support from the robotical team and some lesson plans and activities to get you started. You can use ours or make your own, and then please do share them.
I think for the children, having Marty in front of them and being able to code on the computer and then actually see Marty moving is fantastic. It's not just something moving on the computer. They have Marty there in front of them.
Yeah, it's very fun because you get to see a little robot dance basically. You can code things really easily and even just bits of plastic and do really cool stuff.
Imagine learning while making a robot dance, shake hands, play football or race round an obstacle course. Marty isn't your average learning tool. Marty is an expandable robot. You can add a computer like the Raspberry Pi and a camera. You can 3D print your own parts, add extra sensors and lights. There are so many ways to build on your Marty experience. But we all start learning somewhere, and with Marty, it starts with one click.